Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I am sabotaging my skincare project pan video by doing a month-long journey of only using LUSH skincare items. My face has been whacked all month of January. It's been hot, cold, I've been super stressed, not getting enough sleep, not eating right, so there's a lot of different factors into why my skin might have been behaving. LUSH's skincare is something that I was very intrigued in the past and more recently getting back into with some of their products, and I just wanted to see if less is more. I think I have a very intense skincare routine. I will link my skincare playlist to go check out. I feel like maybe I don't need all the steps that I incorporate. Maybe I just need fewer steps. Maybe I just need products that don't have all the filler, even though you wouldn't expect to see filler products in prestige and luxury skincare brands, which that's primarily my skincare routine. I just thought this was a fun experiment to do and revisit some of LUSH's skincare. There are only a couple of products in here that I do use on the reg. The rest of them I purchased or got samples of. I plan on trying to do some inserts of using some of these products here and there. I'm not sure how that's going to work out. I have to figure out how I'm going to have a camera in my bathroom. I have very little sink space due to my skincare. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get into it. Some of these products have dust on them. That's how great they are doing. For exfoliator, this is actually a product that I use quite frequently. It's my current holy grail exfoliator. It is Let the Good Times Roll. I love this stuff so much, and it looks like I haven't even used any of it by the amount of product that I have, but a little goes a long way. This is going to last me forever, past the expiry date. It's all good. We're just gonna roll with it. No? Okay. There goes my stand-up career. And it is something that you can use every single day. It's not just an exfoliator, it's a cleanser as well. And that's part of my experiment, is just to see how well this cleanses by itself. Can I just use this without going in with another cleanser? Maybe that's stripping away moisture to my face, or it's dehydrating my skin. But I still have some cleansers in case that's not enough. I have two cleansers. And it is crumbling. Sweet. I am off to a great start with that. Feel like you have the world's most sensitive skin? Not the world's most, I think that's Catherine. Allow us to prescribe you a bar of our pale pink cleansing bar, chamomile extracts to calm, rose, and lavender to soothe dry patches. Ooh, I like rose. You have my attention, and I got all the dry patches around my face. And tea tree to keep skin clean and clear. Tea tree is another ingredient that I like. With lots of calamine powder to calm troubled skin, this facial soap is great for gently easing skin back into balance. And then I got Cold Face. I have not used a LUSH cleanser like this before. Hope that this is enough product for the month of February. Luckily it's a shorter month, but it is a leap year. I was quite nervous for this video, and I was going to originally do it in January. I don't even remember the last time I cleansed my face with a bar like this. It's probably like the Proactive or Clinique acne bars that they had back in the day. I don't know if those are still around. I'm very intrigued to see how bar cleansers do as opposed to liquids, because all I use are liquids these days. Dermalogica, Glam Glow, Ole Henriksen, you name it. So Cold Face is supposed to be ideal for combination or oily skin. I definitely have some combination going on in my T-zone, otherwise I'm primarily dry. And this is a mild exfoliating charcoal facial soap that makes quick work of excess oil to leave your skin matte and super clean. We counteract charcoal's deep cleansing action with soothing rosewood and sandalwood oils to reduce redness, which I definitely need. I am super red all the time, and keep your skin nicely balanced. So I'm hoping that these cleansers definitely help in combination with each other. Maybe I will cleanse my face with Fresh Pharmacy, like with my cheeks, and then take Cold Face where my T-zone is. That's gonna take double cleansing to a whole new level. I almost forgot about this little jar. I have a bunch of things going on in here. This is the Sleepy Balm. Sleepy smells so good. It is my favorite scent of LUSH's. The old name of it is Twilight. I was so upset when they discontinued Twilight, and then when they brought out Sleepy, people kept telling me it's the same scent as Twilight, and I went Sleepy crazy. And I am really excited for these bars. It does a really good job breaking down your makeup. I like to use it in combination with a makeup eraser, but I'm also a little nervous that I don't have an oil-based cleanser to double cleanse cleanse with. That's something that I do when I have a full face of makeup like I have on today, to make sure that no makeup is left behind, especially foundation or a pesky eyeliner like my Milk Makeup Gel Liner. A little bit nervous how I'm gonna break down a full face of makeup like this with just Lush. I feel like I need my Tatcha oil cleanser, micellar water. I can't even use that. I am so upset that they don't have a micellar solid version. I don't know, Lush really likes to go for solid versions of products these days, like the solid body wash, solid shampoo, solid hair conditioner, solid everything. I even have a solid serum, which we'll get to in a little bit. I've also used the cleansing balm Like a Virgin. It's a little bit more slippery. I felt like a Virgin I went through a lot quicker than Sleepy. They're both very comparable of how it breaks down makeup, but I think overall with the scent of Sleepy is why I decided to go with it for this video. I also have a little sample of Jade Roller. I haven't used it before. Jade Roller is supposed to cleanse, tone, and massage in one step with this clarifying multitasker. It's embedded with mung beans on one side so you can make a luxurious facial massage part of your daily routine. A base of absorbent marula oil, a traditional South African cleanser renowned for its elasticity boosting effects on the skin, which I don't want to lose any, combines with astringent hazelnut oil and refreshing peppermint to leave your skin soft and tingly fresh. I think they have one more cleansing balm and I haven't used it yet. Yes, they have Gritty Politi, and these balms each retail for about $6. But they have so many other cleansers: Ultra Bland, 9 to 5, Herbalism, Angels on Bare Skin, and Dark Angels. I've used samples of them. I haven't been crazy about it. I think Let the Good Times Roll is the best one that has worked out for me, and then Sleepy in this balm form. Switching gears to a toner. This is the Tea Tree Water Toner. This was my favorite toner for the longest time. I think it just did a really good job of refreshing the skin and immediately helping lock in moisture after cleansing. It plays nice with the other skincare items. Tea tree oil is really good, especially if you have acne prone skin. It has both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. So with Lush taking the naked packaging approach, I was really nervous for a serum because it is solid. How is this a serum? This is the Full of Grace serum. It is a solid moisturizer that's packed full of hydrating tropical butters, calming chamomile, and antioxidant mushroom extract to keep skin in fantastic condition all year round. Easily absorbed by the skin, it creates a smoothing treatment for the delicate skin on your face, helping you maintain its elasticity, moisture, and glow. It's gentle enough for everyone to use. I'm a little nervous about it because how am I going to apply a solid serum? I just want to take the bar and rub it on my face, but I don't want to tug at it. They said just rub it in your palm and then apply, but I feel like that won't be enough. It's already hard enough for me to find a serum, let alone a solid serum. If you have tried the serum, what was your best experience with it? I am quite nervous for that step. I almost forgot it because I didn't know how it was going to work out, but then again, I still felt like I needed a product like that, and I'm just really nervous having not that many products in my skincare routine. I'm afraid that it's going to do more damage than actually help, but based off the description and properties of these products, they sound very promising. I am a little bit nervous about having this much skin drink. It is 1.5 ounces. It looks so much smaller than a Tatcha water cream, and they have the same amount of product. This is supposed to be for dry skin. It says quench your skin's thirst for moisture with our rich sesame oil designed to leave a supple protective layer on the face without leaving greasy. I definitely want to see how my face reacts with it, especially with the colder weather that we're supposed to get in February. We'll see. Especially if the wind decides to pick up, my face gets chapped really bad. So I want to see how well that the skin drink targets that, as well as just working both morning and night. I have a little bit of concerns because a lot of moisturizers does make me a little oily throughout the day, and I have to use those oil absorbing sheets, which is no problem. I just hate the oily, slippery feeling when you're working and then you touch your face because you have an itch and you just feel that oil and grease on your finger. It really grosses me out. Just how does my face produce this much oil? Lastly, I have two masks. First mask is the Cup of Coffee face mask, which also kills me that I won't have a sleep mask in my skincare routine for this month. But this is a mask that can be used every single day. It is super gentle. You would think with coffee grinds that it might be rough, but I do like caffeine in my my skincare. Caffeine is supposed to help reduce inflammation and puffiness, and it also helps tighten and brighten the skin. Having dull skin, I really like to have brightening in a mask as well as tightening. Especially as you get older, your face is going to lose elasticity over time. And then I have the Mask of Magnanimity. This is just like a typical clay mask. You can apparently use this for both your face and your body. This is packed full of peppermint, kaolin, and scrubby aduki beans for deeply cleansed skin. This would be something I would use instead of my Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge or Glam Glow masks. I really like how those really go in and extract the gunk out of my pores, so that's something I hope that this mask can do for me, help purify and keep the pores looking clean. I don't know how often I'll use it, maybe once or twice a week. I definitely see myself using the coffee mask a little bit more. I think it just targets a little bit more areas of concern for my needs, but then again, I didn't feel like it might have been enough, so I might as well get both masks that were offered. I'm very nervous for this. I have never done a whole month dedicated just to one skincare brand. Kind of like makeup. I like some products here and there from each brand, but I'm also excited just to see how my skin reacts just using one brand. Perhaps I'll try this in the future with some other brands. I think I might have enough Ole Henriksen products to do a similar video like this, so it'll definitely be interesting to track the progress of how my face reacts with it, as well as getting a gauge if I really like these products. I know I tend to really lean towards more of LUSH's body products. We'll definitely give it a shot and see. Maybe it'll help calm my face down. A lot of these products had calming properties in them. I'm mainly concerned about like my acne scarring, breakouts, texture and redness, and retaining moisture. Let me know what some of your favorite LUSH products are. Do you use any of their skincare and what works out for you? If you have dry skin, what products do you recommend? I wasn't expecting to sabotage my project pan this soon, but here we are in February. We're off to a great start in 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.